Okay, for 47, they say an area of a square is 225. So basically they're saying here's a square, and the area is 225, right? Square centimeters, cm squared. So, I mean, quickly we should realize that each side, since it's a square, is 15, right? The square root of 225 is 15. Right, and we did that by saying square root 225, right? Okay. Use the Pythagorean theorem to find the length of the square's diagonal. Okay, so let's get rid of this. So the diagonal runs from here to here, right? So we now know that we have a triangle. If I redraw, I have a triangle, a right triangle to be specific. That's 15, 15, and an unknown, right? C. So Pythagorean theorem says a squared plus b squared equals c squared, right? So 15 squared plus 15 squared equals c squared. So 15 squared, we know, is 225 plus 225 equals c squared. I'm going to come up here. So c squared equals 450, right? So 450, so we need to take the square root, so we get c equals the square root of 450. And at this point, we didn't learn yet how to simplify radicals. The book is actually going to write 15 root 2, because it is, but you don't yet know how to do that. So you could, at this point, you could leave it like this, right? This would be okay on a test if I asked this at this point. Or, if you went into your calculator, right, and you typed it in, right, let me do that, 450, we would get it to be 21.2, right? C is approximately 21.2 centimeters, right? This should be centimeters also. So I prefer this way at this point because it's exact. It's exactly the square root of 450 centimeters.